Hi friends, this is Iqra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will elaborate on the evidence of the exoskeleton of insects in the Holy Quran. Many insects have exoskeletons, however leafcutter ants turned out to have an exoskeleton with rocky crystal armor, never before seen in insects. Researchers have discovered a new type of mineral covering the exoskeleton of leafcutter ants. A new study shows that one Central American leafcutter ant species has natural armor that covers its exoskeleton. This shield-like coating is made of calcite with high levels of magnesium, a type found only in one other biological structure, sea urchin teeth, which can grind limestone. In leafcutter ants, this coating is made of thousands of tiny, plate-like crystals that harden their exoskeleton. This armor helps prevent the insects from losing limbs in battles with other ants and staves off fungal infections. This exoskeleton is made up of a very thin crystal coating which is invisible to the naked eye. Those leafcutter ants turned out to be the only insects that have an exoskeleton with very thin crystal coating invisible to the naked eye. This crystal coating breaks just like glass. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1400 years before it was discovered. Quran says in chapter 27 in verse 18, until, when they came upon the valley of the ants, an ant said, O ants, enter your homes so that you do not be crushed by Solomon and his soldiers while they do not feel it. In this verse yatimannakum means break. Today we know why the Quran used this word, because its exoskeleton breaks like glass. How could an illiterate man who lived 1400 years ago have known about the exoskeleton of ants? Quran is no doubt a wonderful miracle of Allah Almighty. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.